Welcome back, brothers and sisters, and I am come back. Okay, first I am searching for my channel to view and the camera what's going on. Where is my channel? Okay, man, where? Wait, I'm just searching for this live. No, why? Live videos. Come on, just wait. I am searching for my channel first. Live and water repairing. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. First, I install a halogen bulb. As you can see, I am trying to show you. First, I install for best vision. As you can see, a 500 watts halogen bulb for best vision, because here we have a very difficult issue in this board, and here is a reflection of the halogen bulb, but this is our need to find this issue with you. Okay, I just removed again this capacitor. Yesterday I was changing this, and after the changing of this capacitor, finally I was turned on the inverter, and today when I try to on again and start the working on this board, so our board was not start again today. So I removed the L7912 negative voltage regulator. So first I need to install these two components, and one the UC3845. So first I need to install this. The light is reflection, very bad reflection, but this is our need. I think from here, when this area is empty, so I am here adding some tape for not the reflection of the halogen bulb. Okay, it's a little bit okay. We need here some more tape temporary, because here is reflection very high. So now I need to install again these three components, and I need to share with you in live from here this issue, because yesterday I was done this, and today we have facing again this issue. I install this wire to provide a power supply this section to find a short component, but I apply a voltages for 5 minutes, but I don't find any heat and one component. So now I am just removing the soldering from the UC3845 solder mask, and today I need to talk little because my wind pipe has a little damage and I have a little temperature, but I need to repair this because here is the lightning issue, and I want to people in the lightning. So I'm just working on this. Any person interested, so you can watch with me live. I think this soldering tip is not good for this, but I'm trying again to desolder this. I need to small desoldering pump. Okay, I found. I think the temperature is low of soldering station. I boost. But this is the two-layer PCB or double-side PCB. It's hard to remove the solder from solder mask. And this is our second live of this inverter. After the video, I need to add a description of previous live. Sorry. You need to take care about the SMD components here. RTCT and voltage reference and feedback resistors and capacitors. Now I am installing this UC3845. This is okay, but this is the good thing. If I have a new one, so I have a new one same. With the theory, you can check this. First, I need to remove this drive card and keep on the safe area. Okay, I'm just sharing you in the middle of this repairing how you can check. Okay, but here we have a lots of problems, so I need to replace this. Okay, but the theory of checking the UC3845 or UC3843, the method is that I am for just view. Okay, this is the pin number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, you need to keep the multimeter positive probe on the pin number 5 negative, and you need to set your multimeter on continuity mode. Here we need this resistance. Okay, this is true resistance, and keep the multimeter positive probe still on the negative, and after that you need to keep the multimeter negative probe on the pin number 6 PWM output. Okay, this is the true resistance, and when I keep the multimeter negative probe on the positive pin number 7, so here we need approximately 100 ohm resistance more than this pin. Okay, as you can see the 743 ohm. Okay, this is okay, but in some time completely 100% working mode with the oscilloscope I will share you. So we need to some components, okay, and install this in the base like this. This is the base of this IC. So you can check every UC3843, UC3844, and UC3842 and UC3845. You can check just this is the single circuit, okay, with the help of multimeter and oscilloscope both. Okay, so now I am installing the new one. Okay, so this is the new IC resistance I am here sharing with you. Okay, same process as you can see here. We have 600 plus ohm. Okay, and from the positive 710 ohm, so a little bit resistance 10, but the first IC I cancel. Okay, now I am installing a new one to troubleshoot this problem or issue or fault. Okay, I'm just installing. Now I need to solder this. Don't fall down, please. That's okay. First, you need to just carefully solder one pin to hold. Okay. Now we can properly solder all the pins. Okay. And after that, I need to install the L7912 negative voltage regulator. This negative voltage regulator providing from 17 to 18 volts, this to 12 volts. Okay, converting to 12 volts negative. This is the negative voltage regulator. Okay, and this is the very important thing in solar inverter. Okay, because this voltage regulator is related with the output voltages sense section, input voltages sense section, PV input voltages sense section, battery voltages sense section.
Come, sir, may I come in?
Okay, so first we need to install this negative voltage regulator. And now I need to set the position, and this board is a little bit big from other boards because the designer designed the solar charge controller and all in one single PCB. So first I need to tighten the screw of this negative voltage regulator. There. It's a little bit hard to install, but I am trying. It's okay. Don't apply the force. Okay, you need to freely tight and keep finger on this little heatsink and apply the required force to tight. And after that I need to proper solder sorry for this reflection, but this is our need. This is the reflection of 500 watts halogen bulb. Okay, because here we need a very perfect vision for view. So I install a 500 watt halogen bulb. Shirasi arkaya makasam ni papa. Cera nu boy wala pachi. انت ناجوړه مطلب مې ده دا خر زامن دا ټول شي یو شي کې ډیزاین کړل او ټول غولي په یو پیسې به کې روان کړی او وایي نام شي دومره ډیزاین کړل راړول کې سړي Okay, I am just cleaning the soldering plugs from here. And one person said me a good morning, sir, and previous love you, but I can't reply at the time. So I am sorry for this person, and now I am saying good morning to you. But today our repairing life is very hard. But I am trying this, okay? So now we need to install a capacitor. From here I remove this capacitor. I am finding from this side. Yes, I think from here. Okay, I'm just desoldering the solder mask of this capacitor, but this is not, so I need to confirm this from another side. From here I remove this capacitor. Okay, I removed this from here, and the capacitor size yesterday was little bit big size. The capacitance and voltages are same, but the size is a little bit big. As you can see, this was the capacitor here installed. And this is the Jamie Cone capacitor. And I am confused why they gave value. So I install a little bit pin long. Now I'm just removing this pin. I need to install some long pins for easy installation. If any have a solution for this issue, so you need to tell me, and today I need a help from you. If you know about this issue. Okay. Shaded the Puruni Anko, Chinanam Yaraban, Yanan Kilinavan. Okay, I'm just connecting the long pins. I have a lot of new capacitor, but the quality is not good because here are the high frequency. So this is the high frequency capacitor and good quality. So I am installing with difficulties, but I need to install a good quality capacitor, and this is the Rubicon capacitor. Okay, the Rubicon is the world famous capacitor. I need to install the capacitor first. No, any chat I receive, I am rotating my cell phone, another cell phone. Okay, here are no any comment. Okay, now I need to install this capacitor, but first I need to isolate this pin with shrink tube. I cut a little bit extra. First I need to measure the size. It's a little bit. Okay, now I cut a perfect size and I waste some shrink tube. Now I need to provide the heat. We have still extra size, it's okay. Now I need to install first this capacitor. I'm just installing the capacitor. Okay, and now I need to solder this. Oh man, this board is very weighty and big, and it's hard to fold or move from one side to another side. Okay, I hold the capacitor temporary. Now I need to solder this properly, and after that I need to clean the soldering plugs. And now I am guiding you about the UC3843, UC3845, UC3842, and UC3844. These four ICs have a same pin outs or same pin configuration. Okay, first I am trying this to on. Cara, perché da sicuro ce l'hai, ci sta tempo si va qui. Non si va dove, non sto start करने वाला. Okay. I draw this pin configuration in previous live. Okay. Now this is the same pin number 1, feedback, pin number 2, compensation, pin number 3, I sense and peer sense, and the pin number 4 is RTCT, resistor timing and capacitance timing, and this is the pin number 5, GND negative. The pin number 6 is PWM out, and the pin number 7 is positive or VCC, and the pin number 8 is VREF. It's mean voltage reference per RT and CT. Okay, now I am just providing the power supply. Okay. Now I am increasing my voltages for operating. Okay, I provide around 50 volts. Now I need to turn on. Yes, I am confused now. The inverter is turned on and consumption is true. So now I am installing in this live the control drive card, but first I need to discharge the DC capacitor, okay, with the help of some resistance. Don't short without any resistance, okay. I'm just searching for the resistor where I keep. Okay, I found finally. This is the 20 watts and 25 ohm resistor. You can discharge this like this. This is the smooth method of discharging the capacitor. Okay, finally I discharged all the capacitors. Now I am just putting the control drive card. Okay. And now I am just connecting, and if you want for the smooth, first you need to off the inverter switch and connect this resistor again in the series, and now as you can see the capacitor was charged smoothly, okay, or softly. Now I am turning on the inverter, and as you can hearing the inverter is start now, and now the inverter has goes to the pal 09. The same situation I was faced today because I was troubleshoot this issue yesterday, and when I come in my workshop today and I come live again to tell you all the issues, and after that once I apply the voltages and try to turn on, so the inverter was not turning on. The same issue faced today I again, and now I just one thing I just replace more the UC3845. This UC3845, this is the main power supply section, okay, and after that this UC3845 are boosting the voltages for soft start, okay. And sometime I am sharing with you this inverter all topology, how they work and what the processing, okay. So in the next live, once I found a better time and long live time, and I have a whiteboard, big whiteboard in my house, so this is the good thing to discuss with the big whiteboard, okay. Now I am just installing the LCD to show you a fault and troubleshoot this fault in this live stream. I am just connecting the LCD, okay. Now I am providing again the power, okay, little bit spark, don't worry. Now I am just turning on the inverter, okay. The inverter was turned on, and now, okay, inverter has goes to the port 09 as you can see here, okay. So now the one thing just I replaced this UC3845, okay. Now we need to replace some IGBT to troubleshoot this 09 fault. First I need the same process to discharge the DC capacitor with some resistance and ohm. Okay, and now I need to remove the control drive card and save and keep the safe area. Okay, I remove this. Now we have here two short IGBTs, two pieces short IGBTs. Okay, now I need to off the halogen bulb because now don't need for this. Okay, so the direction is true, and wait approximately 1 minute or 2 minutes because I'm just ordering tea for us because I, I was does not break fast. Okay, because huh? So? Hospital हमारे में खूब दवा एंड पाइप में मारे को डैमेज तब मिले आशा कोई दो स्पेशल चेयर और है यार लिख बड़ा चेयर दो सौ हाँ okay dear, now I need to check the IGBTs with you. Okay, the direction is same. I need to move a little bit the board for best view. Set your multimeter on continuity mode, and now this is the first IGBT. Keep the multimeter negative probe on the pin number 2. This is the pin number 1. Get pin number 2. You can call both drain or collector, but the true thing is collector because here we have IGBT. Okay, so this is the pin number 2 collector, and this is the emitter. Keep the multimeter negative probe on the collector pin number 2 and keep the multimeter positive probe on the pin number 3 emitter. As you can see here we have no any continuity, and this is the number 2 IGBT, the same process as you can see, and as you can hearing the beep sound. Okay, now I am just checking. Okay, this third number IGBT isolated gate bipolar transistor is okay, and this is the third, sorry, this is the fourth, and this is the fifth number. Okay, and this is the, in the middle we have a diode of 6 amps, 8 amps, 8 amps and 1200 volts. Okay, now the turn off this side IGBTs, this is okay, and now this is okay, and this is okay. Okay, we just have in this 9 IGBTs, we just have a 2 short IGBTs. Okay, and this side first and second. Okay, now I need to remove this tab. But I am still confused. In this live stream, I need to check with the feed WM output with the help of oscilloscope. Okay, because after the previous live I just replaced this IC. Okay, so in this live stream, once we troubleshoot this part 09, after that I decide this to connect all the components for drive this IC and show you a PWM pulse wide modulation and frequency and duty cycle. Okay, so I am keeping here safely because we need to check this, because we need to find what was the issue. Okay, and now you need to wait approximately 2 minutes. Okay, because me and my friend doing the breakfast. Okay, confidence with us. So I am muting my mic. Okay. Okay, I unmute my mic for Marian. Marian, thanks for sharing. You welcome, brother. And here we have another one comment. Moria Electronics by Sony का एम्पलीफायर बनाओ भाई। मैं सिर्फ सोलर इन्वर्टर की रिपेयरिंग का काम करता हूँ, ठीक है। Okay, brothers. Once my brother asked from Sony amplifier and other language, and I was answer to this. I cannot repair amplifiers. I am just a little bit expert of solar hybrid inverters. Okay, now I am muting my mic because I don't want to disturb you with other tasks. Okay. Welcome back. Sorry for the wait. Okay. So now we need to replace this to IGBT. And one tip I am giving you when you are working on the SMD components and the thing for you new, so you need to install a halogen bulb lighting. Okay, the best view and the best vision of SMD components, you can look this with the halogen lamp lighting. Okay, not the LEDs bulb. When I facing a hard issue, so this is my method. I am also installing or turn on the halogen lamp.
I'm going now.
Sorry?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's this here?
The gate was saraka ta kapada uga lato tuwa.
Come here.
Da bara. Okay, brother. Here we have two short IDVD. Okay. Now I am just searching for the solution. Okay. The one screw and the second screw we can remove in this from the help of this hole. Okay, as you can see, I am removing this strip. Oh man, this is attached. Why? Yes, and I think we have an issue not in this strip, so I need to cut this on this time. Why? Because the shrink tube, as you can see, is very shrink. Okay, so I need to cut this and check the wires, or we need to replace this strip. But first we need to check this for investigation. Because the customer was told me once I received this inverter, he told me the inverter is on, but the inverter is showing the fault 09, and when I test at myself, I call to the customer. I was called to the customer and I told to the customer the inverter is not turning on, and he said the inverter is turning on, but we have a fault 09 in this inverter. So this inverter is in the darkness of. Okay, I'm just searching for if the friend are come with me and waste my time and your time, but I'm sorry for wasting your time, but the friend is friend. Okay, so now I need to confirm this strip. So now take care of your finger. Okay, don't cut your skin. Okay, so I need to confirm this thing with the help of continuity. So here we have some glue, and if you want to remove this glue carefully and safe method, set your hot air gun on 250 degrees centigrade and provide for some seconds, approximately 10 to 15 seconds, and as you can see the glue is made, and easily you can remove the strap. Okay, as you can see the glue are made. Okay, now we need to remove this from another side, so the same processes. Okay, set your hot air gun on 250 degrees centigrade and provide for 15 seconds hot air. And now I need to provide some more because here is the ratio of glue a little bit more than. Come man, it's okay. As you can see the glue is made like that. Okay, it's okay. Keep your nib safe. Okay, now we need to check the continuity of this strip. Okay, and we need to, in this situation I need to cut this and separate from each other. Okay, and here I need to install some paper tape. Okay, and after that I need to install another a little bit big shrink tube. So first I need to keep a paper tape here. Okay, I'm just no any copper wire I saw, but this is not good man. I need to install like that. Okay, for better isolation. No anything keep in the doubts. Okay, you need to protect everything perfectly. Okay, so in the middle we don't have to install. Okay, because we install the 1 and 2, and now I need to install a shrink tube to this. So this is a shrink tube. I need to cut this. Okay, I'm just installing the shrink tube. It's okay. Now I need to provide hot air. Set your hot air gun on 300. Okay, that's okay. And press this. Okay, for better grip. Now this is secure. Okay, now I need to check the continuity of this strip. So I need on the same direction as you can see. Okay, yes, so it's a little bit hard to view and check, but I am trying on this. Okay, so here I keep on this, as you can hearing and as you can see, and this is the second continuity and this is the third, and now we need to check the continuity with each other. No any continuity we have, it's mean our strip is now trustable for use. Okay, now I need to install again here. But this strip was not related with this because this is our AC input line sense strip. Okay, now I am showing you. I was know about this now. This strip, one pin is connected with the line and one with the neutral. So first I need to find the input line and input neutral connector. So this is the input line connector. Now as you can hearing and as you can see, this strip is connected with the, this pin is connected with the line, input line, and another this with the neutral. So our issue was not related with this strip. Okay, in the middle one wire is extra. Okay, here using just two wires, one per input line and one per input neutral. So first we need to remove this glue. First I need to melt this for shaft removing, provide some heat. Okay, and after that you can remove easily. Keep this extra glue on the side in the melting position, melting status, melted status. The glue are now melted. Okay, so now I am trying again to install this strip perfectly and easily. Okay, I installed this and now the turn off this, it's okay. I installed, and now we need to remove this two short IGBT. So you can but take care about the inductor wire. Okay, and softly remove first the screw, but don't completely remove. Okay, just close this like that, and after that you need to provide hot air. Okay, set your hot air gun on 300 or 350, and first you need to provide hot air for pest removing, because if you do not applying the hot air for removing the IGBTs from this heatsink and thermopad, so you can damage the thermopad or isolation pad. So first we need to provide hot air to this two IGBTs. Okay, I am trying this. Now attach a screwdriver, flat screwdriver with another IGBT body and apply a little bit force. Okay, I remove this. Now the turn of the second, but we don't have here another anything to attach. Okay, now we need to check the status of the thermopad, and it's a little bit hard to record and remove, but I am trying. It's okay. I need a cameraman, but I was lives alone and I am happy alone. Okay, very alone, just me and myself. So for this reason, and I can afford the cameraman, but I am happy alone always. Okay, I am just living with myself. Okay, so now we need to remove this to IGBT. I am also teaching about this. Okay, so if you have a returning viewer, so don't mind this, because this is my work to teach the people. So the one method is that first you need to solder these pins, okay, or resolder this pin, and after that you need to keep the IGBT like this tweezer. This is the custom tweezer, okay, and this tweezer was the straight like this. I bend this at myself for this special operation. Okay, now I am just keeping this. Okay, and now the method, first you need to melt this 3 pin at a time. Okay, and this, for this operation you need to set your soldering station are 380 or 400 degrees centigrade. Okay, and when you know the all solder is melted, so after that you can pull down slowly. Okay, I think my tweezer is stuck with another thing, so first I need to free my tweezer from another's. Okay, now, yes, now I can feel. Okay, now I am trying. First I need to melt all the pins of this IGBT, and after that, but my tweezer is stuck in another thing, so I need another method, because this board is different from another boards. So now I am using here a angle tweezer. Okay, this is angle tweezer, and now I keep and this tweezer, and now I am trying. Okay, first I need to melt this all pins. Okay, but I cannot remove successfully. Some pin are attached, but in this case just provide a heat and slowly pull down. Don't apply more force. Okay, just apply a little bit force. Okay, finally I completely remove the IGBT. okay, and no any print was damaged. This all as the solder, okay. No any print come out from the PCB, okay. And the second method is that if you're daily working, if you are working daily on electronics or IGBT or transistor like that, so you need to get this step, okay. First I need to connect the charger to my phone because the phone is warning me to connect the charger, okay. Now I am just connecting the charger, okay. I connected the charger, and now we need to resolve this pin like the previous IGBT, okay. I resolved this, okay, and now set the step on 360 or 50, and now I am just providing this, and as you can see the pin are all melted, okay, and the IGBT was automatically fall down, okay. Now I'm just keeping anti-user as you can see the IGBT was fall down automatically, and we have a little bit thermopad particles, but now we need to check the thermopad status, okay, but the thermopad status is good, okay. I am showing you, don't worry, no any area are damaged, okay, as you can see no any damage area, okay. And after that, once we install or when we install the IGBT, we need to check the continuity with the heatsink, okay. So wait, I have a call. Hello, Sajida, yeah, come doctor said ساجده هغه کنټرول کارت او هر څه خراب کړي دي کنه. نو هغه اول خس کول غواړي، خرچه پې لګول غواړي، څو خرچه پې راغله که نه داسې نه ټیک کېږي چې اول جوړېږي. او که نه هغو ته اول دا ووایه اوس نوي دوم راغلی ما ورته ووایي، او دغه چې دی اول مکمل خس کول غواړي که نه، او دی ناجوړه دی، دا به تقریبا په شپږ اووه غنټو کې د دې پته لګي چې شپږ اووه غنټې کولاوهې به یې او هر یو پرزه به ورته چک کوې. داسې پوه که او څه ووایم، هغه مکمل ډزېدلی اسمان برېښنا والی بل اوس اګړس کې مکمل ټیټ دی. Okay dear, now we need to remove the solder from this solder mask, okay. Sucker is desoldering pump is full, and I need to clean this first. Okay, I clean. Now I need to remove. Okay, my soldering station on 300, so I need to boost, and I was boost. Okay, now I am trying, but still we have a solder in our solder mask. So now, okay, it's perfectly done. Okay, it's okay. Okay, solder masks are clean now. Okay, now I'm just cleaning this. From soldering flux. Okay, I clean this, as you can see. Okay, now we need to install, and first I need to check this IGBT without board, and this is the GW60H65 and 5 kilowatt. It's mean this quality is not good. As you can see, short. Okay, so I need to install other IGBTs. It's GW60 and 60H65. Okay, Welcome back. Okay, now I'm just installing the IGBT. First I need to set the area on the camera. Okay, this is the area I'm installing with angled user. Okay, and it's hard to install, but it's easy with the angled user. Okay, now the turn of the second. Okay, I install. Now I need to tighten the screw. First I need to set. Okay, that's okay. I think this is hard to view in camera because here we have this inductor. Now I am just installing the screws. Make a little bit angle and this. Don't apply the force, okay? Just keep the screwdriver and the screwdriver weight is enough for this. Just rotate on the clockwise your screwdriver like that. I am just rotating my screwdriver. Okay, now I need to provide the required force to tighten this finally. Okay, now I need some more, and after that I need to 6 mm screw, sorry, not driver, completely tight this. I'm just drawing on this. Okay, yes, this is the very best. It's okay. Now I'm just tightening a second. It's okay. It's a little bit hard to record because we have here an inductor. It's okay. Now I need to apply the required force. It's okay. Sorry for vibration. I touch so many times the camera. Okay, now we need to check the continuity with the heatsink. First, before the soldering. Okay, so this is our heatsink screw, and now no any continuity I found. Okay, now we can solder this properly. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Now I need to clean this, and the time is here 1:25, the lunch best time 1:25 p.m. But I need to fix this issue first. Okay. Now I need to install the control drive card. Okay. Now I need to connect this and this with the LCD. Okay. Here is the LCD strip, and this is the switch strip, but I am using external switch. So now I need to provide power supply and cooling fan feedback. Okay. Now I install the cooling fans, and now I am just providing the power supply for operating. Okay. Where is the resistor, man? Okay. Yeah. For soft start, you can charge the capacitor. Okay, the capacitor are charged smoothly. Now I need just to turn on the inverter. Okay, this is the inverter LCD, and I on, and the inverter is on successfully. But now we need to get the output voltages. But we have, okay, the battery voltage is low, so I am increasing. That's okay. Now I need to turn on again. Okay. Yeah, that's okay. This is the battery low warning. Okay. Now, as you can see, the inverter is perfectly working. Okay. And if you want to the story of this inverter, so after this live I will add a a link in the description of this video. Okay, now the one thing in the doubt, the inverter is now ready. Okay, this topic are now closing. So first I need to turn off this inverter. Okay, and after the beep I can remove the power supply. Okay, I remove. Now I was promised with you, I need to check the replaced UC3845. So now let's get started with this pin configuration and add some more components to make a PWM. Okay, PWM pulse wide modulation. Okay, so here we have our replaced IC. Okay, this is our replaced IC. So first I need to connect some components for 100% control, PWM output checking. Okay, like that. Okay, just I need to add these components with this UC3845. Why we confused in previous live and this live? what was the happen. So I'm just I am keeping here a black sheet for better focus. Okay, to connect the components with this. Okay, so first I need to clean this IC to show you the number. Okay, this is the UC3845BN. Okay, I have a call. Hello, hello. وعليكم السلام. जबर भाई सही दुकान के मेरा खुना जोड़े में जो बस गड़बड़ है यार हमारे में खूब तब मेरा साहब दुकान के में जी सही है सही है. Okay, now I am removing this component for saving the time. Okay, and now I need to confirm this. Okay, I am just removing. We don't have for this feedback pin. Okay, we just have we just need to have the one thing non-polarized capacitor for the output frequency and duty cycles. Okay, and we have this wire and this wire. Okay, I am guiding you how you can create your own frequency from UC3842, UC3843, UC3845 and UC3844. Okay, how you can, and the pin number 1 and pin number 2 is related with the feedback and multiple purpose. Okay, you can provide the feedback with some multiple methods. Yeah, but we just need to receive a PWM output signal. Okay, so first of all, this is the pin configuration. I'm removing this step from the inverter now. I draw this in the previous layout. Okay, now I need to attach this with properly like that. Okay, and this is our third tab piece. Yes, okay, this is the pin configuration. Okay, now this is the voltage reference pin number 8. Okay, for RT and CT, and you can adjust the frequency from this potentiometer. Okay, don't care about my fingers. Okay, you can adjust the frequency from this potentiometer. Okay, and now you need, this is the RT. Okay, resistor timing. Okay, and we need to connect this with the pin number 4. Okay, here I install a potentiometer for multiple frequencies or adjusting the frequency, and if you need to the fixed frequency, so you can add a fixed resistor. So now here we have a ground G and D negative. Okay, so now I am connecting this negative with pin number 5. Okay, I connect this. Now we need, this is, I draw already the RTCT, so I was connect the first RT resistor timing from this pin number 8. Okay, and now I need to connect the CT. This is the CT and the capacitor value is 10 NF. Okay, non-polarized capacitor. You can install in DIP package and you can install in SMD, and I am here using the SMD package of non-polarized capacitor. Okay, after that we need to attach this to, but it's very hard. Okay, now I am just attaching. Okay, I attach, and now we need to provide the negative to the pin number 2 and the pin number 3 I sense in peer sense pin. Okay, so this is our pin number 2. We need to provide a negative directly this pin number 2. Here I was add a resistor, but in this time we don't have to use. Okay, and now this is the pin number 3 ampere sense. I am just checking this IC with oscilloscope. Okay, so this is pin number 3, our I sense ampere sense pin. Okay, and now this is the feedback, and this is using in the SMPS power supplies. You can provide the feedback from here with the help of autocoupler like PC817. Okay, and this is another topic. Now I am just providing the positive to the pin number 7 for operating voltages. Okay, and now I need to install another color wire like this white to connect with the pin number 6 output PWM. That's okay, and now I need to provide a 12 volt, 12 to 30 volt. You can provide this IC. Okay, now I am providing just 12 R14 R15 volt. Just I need to check this IC with oscilloscope. With the multimeter, this IC I was checked. This IC is true with the multimeter, but now I am just checking with the oscilloscope, and other time we need to make a proper base and proper circuit. Oh man, I have, but I keep, so I don't have to find. Okay, I am just providing the voltages. First I need to set my voltages. Okay, my power supply is decreasing, and now I need to increase again. Okay, I increase to 13.54. First I am checking this with multimeter, and after that I need to check with oscilloscope, and I need to remove my cell phone. Okay, I am just temporarily attaching this. Okay, sorry for this, but I need to quickly read this. Okay, attach properly. Negative. Yes, I think the IC is okay. Now I need to attach this with oscilloscope and remove my cell phone from stand. Okay, this is the oscilloscope negative. Okay, I am connecting this with the negative. Okay, don't touch. Okay, and this is the positive. As you can see, pin connected with the pin number set, and the PWM signal is creating perfectly. I am just removing my cell phone and this loud string. Okay, I'm just removing the cell phone to show you the frequency of this. As you can see, this is connected just the multimeter positive probe. Okay, as you can see here. Okay, connect just the multimeter, and I need to remove. Okay, let's know. Now this is the oscilloscope probes. Okay, and this probes is going to oscilloscope. Oh man, where I lost something. Where is the oscilloscope? What happened in showing this? What happened? What happened, man? For more proof. Okay, I'm just keeping again and checking. What was does the mistake you do? You don't still receive. Okay, I am receiving. So the voltage is coming, and why the oscilloscope is not working? Now I need to install this properly, and this is already connected with oscilloscope. So what happened, man? What happened with oscilloscope? Because this is the multimeter connecting, and the UC3845 is completely giving the PWM signal. But what the happened, we have an oscilloscope at this moment. I'm just clearing this down. It was just need to show you directly, but I was does the mistake. As you can see, the PWM voltage is coming perfectly, but I think I have issue in my oscilloscope probes. Yes, I was issue in the probe of oscilloscope. Now just locate the oscilloscope. As you can see, the frequency is 18 or 19 point something kilohertz, and the duty cycle is 50%. And now as you can see, the oscilloscope wire is connected with the pin number 6 and pin number 5. Okay, and this is just the multimeter probe. Okay, as you can see, here is connected with multimeter, Okay, so this was our live stream. Okay, and take care. See you next time.